She's so hungry. She was out for 2 hours straight. And I just fed him like coriander. Now she's kind of a bit hungry, so she's eating all the seeds in the world. I might post this video today or maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna do it until she stops eating. Completely stops eating. You are so hungry. Yes. Now eat your food. Do not eat my finger. This will take 2000 years. Oh my god. Yes, she is super hungry. And now she's obviously not eating. Okay, she can do this for the next 5 minutes. I will not disturb you by torturing you for the next 5 minutes. Can you do my outro? She's like, nope, I cannot. Nope, you suck. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you did, even though less people will see this, if you like this video, give the thumbs up button, and can you say bye bye? Can you say bye bye to 20 fans? Yeah, bye bye.